Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a great day. So I am probably in Vegas right now if you guys are watching this. My plan was to film this video and get it up before I left, so hopefully I'm in Vegas right now while you guys are watching this. Anyways, so I wanted to do a cute little Christmas DIY. I found this amazing wrapping paper at Walmart a couple weeks ago, and I was like, oh my goodness, I could totally do some crafts with that. So I just love how the wood is. It's like that gray color, and I think it's gonna go really good in our house. Wasn't really sure what I was gonna do with it, but I'm really happy with the little sign that I ended up making. So I did a little Googling and just kind of trying to get a little inspiration, and I ended up I used everything that I already had at the house. So I used this sign. It was a Halloween sign from Dollar Tree that said beware, and then on the other side I actually made it say harvest. So the only thing I did buy for this project was the paper, and I want to say it was like $5, which is kind of a lot for wrapping paper, but it's really thick, it's heavy duty, and I know I'm gonna get a lot of projects done with it. I hope you guys enjoy this one. Don't forget to stick around. If you guys are new, hit that subscribe button, and of course give this video a big thumbs up, and let's get into it. All right, so here's the sign that I was talking about. I wrote harvest on the other side. So I'm actually just gonna be covering it with the wallpaper, or the wrapping paper. So if I wanted to reuse these signs for next year, all I have to do is take off the wrapping paper. So this is what it looks like. I got this at Walmart, like I said, and I think it was like $5, but it's really nice, like heavy duty quality, and I'm super excited to use it. So all I'm gonna do is just kind of open it up and then measure out how much I need, because I'm gonna cover the beware sign with the wrapping paper entirely. So originally I was gonna do both sides. I was gonna do 2 different signs, but after I kind of got it wrapped, I noticed that one side looked a lot better than the other side, so I figured I would just do it one-sided. So once you get it measured to how you want it, you're just gonna go ahead and wrap it up like a present. And originally I had the wood grain going the other way, but once I got it on there, I realized I didn't really care for it. So I ended up taking that off and redoing it with the wood grain going like vertical, because I'm gonna have it actually, at first I was gonna have it sitting horizontally, but now I'm gonna make it a vertical sign. So you just have to figure out which way you want the wood grain to go, and then go from there. Next, I'm going to be taking these cute little stencils from Dollar Tree. If you guys saw one of my other DIY videos, I used those in there as well. But yeah, the green one and the red one both came in a set at Dollar Tree for $1. I couldn't believe it. So I'm going to have it say let it snow, and I'm going to do the let and then the it below it, and then the snow is going to be like stacked. So I am just going to do stenciling. I'm just using regular white paint, and I am going to add in some snowflakes as well. And there was a little snowflake here next to the S, but once I took the stencil off, the S, or you couldn't even tell that it was a snowflake. So I ended up actually wiping that one off, and then I just made some bigger snowflakes next to it. And I did notice some of the stencils weren't as dark as I would like them to be, so I just went ahead and took my paintbrush and then kind of touched up some spots with the white paint. And then once I was all done with the stenciling, I just went ahead and took some silver glitter from Dollar Tree and then some Mod Podge that I also picked up from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to kind of paint the Mod Podge on the snowflakes and then sprinkle it with glitter just to give it a little bit of bling, and then that is it for this project. That is it, you guys. I think this turned out super cute, and I mean, you can't even tell that that's wrapping paper. I am so happy that I found this at Walmart. So you guys should totally go grab some and just make some projects with it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you all soon. Have a great one. Bye.